Day 1 of the Millionaire Identity Shift marks a sacred return to the origin of all creation, the self. It is not about strategies or external results. It is not about visualizing a far-off future. It is about awakening to the radical truth that you are not at the mercy of life. You are the source of it. You are the origin point of your abundance, your wealth, your experiences, and your world. This foundational day is a powerful reclamation of authorship. It shifts you from the illusion of passivity to the certainty of creation. Today, you rise not to seek, but to remember that you already are all that you desire, not in potential, but in identity. The day begins in stillness, centered, grounded, and sovereign. Through breathwork, you anchor into the present, allowing the nervous system to calm and the mind to open. You visualize golden light entering your crown and spreading through your body, not as something external you are receiving, but as something you are. This is not an energy borrowed or given. It is your essence. You are the source. From this energetic space, you begin the I Am writing practice, a sacred technology used by mystics, manifestors, and masters alike. With every phrase, you carve a new self-concept into your subconscious. I am the operant power in my reality. I am worthy of limitless wealth. I am already all that I desire. This is not wishful thinking. It is the programming of a new identity. You write not to become, but to claim. If I truly believed I am the source of wealth, I would. One way I will show up today as this version of me is mirror work follows. You meet your own eyes and speak with unwavering love. I see you. You are powerful. You are the source. You deserve wealth because you are wealth. This moment is not just self-love. It is self-recognition. You are no longer playing small. You are activating your divine role. From the very first breath of the day, your question becomes, what would the version of me who knows she's the source do now? This simple inquiry becomes your compass. It guides how you walk, choose, spend, speak, and respond. No action is too small to be sacred, whether it's choosing the elevated option, taking a confident step forward, or saying no to an old pattern. You shift your field every time you act from identity instead of lack. This is not about pretending. This is about remembering. You stop outsourcing your power to people, platforms, or paychecks. You begin to see all money, all opportunities, all success as expressions of your inner state, not sources of it. To deepen this remembrance, you listen to Neville's lecture, I Am the Cause. His words shake loose the conditioning that has led us to believe the world happens to us. You are reminded that it is your assumed self-concept, not your environment, that dictates your reality. During this time, you ask yourself, what am I still blaming outside of me that I now take full responsibility for? And perhaps for the first time, you shift from complaint to creative control. You no longer wait for change, you become it. As the day winds down, you enter the sacred practice of SATS, state akin to sleep. In the liminal space between waking and sleeping, your subconscious is most receptive. Here, you plant the seeds of your new identity. You don't ask for wealth. You don't hope for it. You rehearse the moment where it is already yours. You open an email confirming a large payment. You walk in nature, overwhelmed by the freedom you've created. You tell a friend, it just keeps coming. I'm so grateful. You don't force the scene. You feel the naturalness of it. You allow your body to register safety, joy, and familiarity. Wealth becomes no longer a fantasy, but a memory you're living from. Before bed, you reflect in your journal. Did I live today as the source of my reality? Where did I fall into old identity patterns? What felt powerful or expansive? What would I do differently tomorrow? You are not judging. You are observing with love. You are refining your alignment, not through effort, but through awareness. And you close with the final affirmation, the sacred stamp upon your day. It is done. I am already him or her. Day one is not about doing, it's about being. It's about awakening to your true nature as the source, the operant power, the I am. You no longer see wealth as something out there. You know it flows through you because it begins with you. This is the foundation of every transformation to come. You are not the effect. You are not the seeker. You are not becoming. You are the cause. You are the source. You are already it.